Hello, champs. Welcome to Little Champ's World. Let's learn, play, and explore together. Hello,
1.
champs.
I wake up early every morning.
Welcome to Little
2.
Champ's World.
I brush my teeth before
Let's learn,
breakfast.
play, and explore together.
3.
Hello,
My mother
champs.
makes delicious food.
Welcome
4.
to Little
My
Champ's
father
World.
goes to work every day.
Let's learn, play, and explore
5.
together.
I walk to school
Hello,
with
champs.
my friends. 6.
Welcome
my
to
teacher
Little Champ's
explains
World.
every lesson clearly.
Let's learn, play, and explore
7.
together.
I always
Hello,
finish my
champs.
homework on time. 8.
Welcome to
we
Little
play
Champ's
football
World.
after school.
Let's learn, play,
9.
and explore together.
I enjoy reading storybooks.
Hello, champs.
10. My favorite subject
Welcome to
is
Little
English.
Champ's World.
11.
Let's learn, play,
I help
and
my
explore
parents
together.
with small chores.
Hello, champs.
12. I keep my room clean
Welcome
and tidy.
to Little Champ's World.
13.
Let's learn,
I drink
play, and
plenty of
explore
water
together.
every day.
Hello, champs.
14.
Welcome
Fruits and
to Little
vegetables
Champ's World.
keep us healthy.
Let's learn, play,
15.
and explore together.
I wear my school uniform
Hello,
every
champs.
day. 16.
Welcome
we should
to Little
always
Champ's
speak
World.
politely.
Let's learn, play,
17.
and explore together.
Honesty is the best policy.
Hello, champs.
18. I respect
Welcome
my
to
teachers
Little Champ's
and
World.
elders.
Let's learn,
19.
play, and explore
Sharing
together.
is a good habit.
Hello, champs.
20. We should never waste food.
Welcome to Little Champ's World.
21. The
Let's
sun
learn,
rises
play,
in the
and
east.
explore together.
22.
Hello, champs.
Birds build nests in trees.
Welcome to Little Champ's
23.
World.
The moon shines
Let's
at
learn,
night.
play, and explore together.
24.
Hello,
Rain
champs.
gives water to plants. 25.
Welcome to Little Champ's
Trees
World.
give us fresh air.
Let's learn, play, and explore
26.
together.
My best friend
Hello,
always
champs.
helps me. 27.
Welcome to
we
Little Champ's
celebrate
World.
festivals with our family.
Let's learn, play, and explore together.
28.
Hello, champs.
I like drawing beautiful pictures.
Welcome to Little Champ's World.
29. My little
Let's
sister
learn, play,
loves to
and
sing
explore
songs.
together. Hello, champs.
30. We visited the zoo last Sunday.
Welcome to Little Champ's World.
31. I saw many
Let's learn,
animals
play,
at the
and
zoo.
explore together.
32.
Hello, champs.
The elephant is the largest land animal.
Welcome to Little Champ's World.
33. My
Let's
grandmother
learn, play,
tells
and
interesting
explore together.
stories.
Hello, champs.
34. I enjoy spending time with my
Welcome to
grandparents.
Little Champ's World.
35.
Let's learn, play, and
Practice
explore
makes
together.
us better every day.
Hello, champs.
36. I learn something
Welcome
new
to
every
Little
day.
Champ's World.
37.
Let's learn, play,
Reading
and
books
explore
improves
together.
our knowledge.
Hello, champs.
38. Exercise keeps our
Welcome
body
to
strong.
Little Champ's World.
39.
Let's learn,
I
play,
want to
and
become
explore
a doctor
together.
someday.
Hello, champs.
40. We should
Welcome
protect
to Little
nature
Champ's
and
World.
wildlife.
Let's learn, play,
41.
and explore together.
Every child deserves a
Hello,
good
champs.
education. 42.
Welcome to
Kind
Little
words
Champ's
can
World.
make people happy.
Let's learn, play, and
43.
explore together.
I never give up
Hello,
when
champs.
work is difficult. 44.
Welcome to Little
Mistakes
Champ's World.
help us learn and improve.
Let's learn, play, and explore
45.
together.
Teamwork
Hello,
makes
champs.
every task easier. 46.
Welcome to Little Champ's World.
I always try to do my best.
Let's learn, play, and explore together.
47. Time
Hello,
is
champs.
precious, so use it wisely.
Welcome to Little
48.
Champ's World.
A smile can
Let's
brighten
learn,
someone's
play,
day.
and explore together.
49.
Hello, champs.
Every day is a new opportunity to learn.
Welcome to Little Champ's
50.
World.
Success comes through
Let's
hard
learn,
work
play,
and
and
patience.
explore together. Great job, champs. Hello, champs.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Welcome to
and
Little
we'll
Champ's
see you
World.
in the next adventure. Bye.
Let's learn, play, and explore.